Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve an algebra related question which has a lot of indices as well. So the question is 2 raised to x minus 3. Basically they have given us 2 raised to x minus 3 minus 2 raised to y minus 3 is equals to 504. And we need to find the value of x minus y. Before beginning with that, always remember a raised to m minus n is nothing but what? A raised to m upon a raised to n. Okay, so we will use the same logic over here. So we can write this as nothing but 2 raised to x upon 2 raised to 3 minus 2 raised to y upon 2 raised to 3 is equals to 504. Okay. Now, since both of these LCMs, or rather both of these denominators are same, so we can shift it on the other side. So we'll get something like this: 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 504. Okay. Now, before going ahead, students, I would like to remind all of you all that please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Now, understand that the value on this side of the equal to is positive. So this can only happen when the equation on this side will also be positive. So for this to be positive, we need to have x to be greater than y. So now if x is greater than y, then we can say x is equals to y plus some value. Okay, so we'll use this value of x instead of just x in this particular equation. So now your equation changes to 2 raised to y plus k minus 2 raised to y is equals to 2 cube into 504. Okay. Now always remember, when you have a raised to m plus n, it is nothing but what? A raised to m into a raised to n. So 2 raised to y, this 2 raised to y plus k can now be written as what? 2 raised to y into 2 raised to k minus 2 raised to y is equals to 2 cube into 504. Okay, now we can take something which is common over here. So 2 raised to y is common, so I'm getting 2 raised to k minus 1 is equals to 2 cube into, now this 504 also can be factored further, and if you realize, this is nothing but what? 8 into 63. Okay, so basically that is 8 into 63. Okay, so now understand, this is nothing but what? 2 cube into 8 can be also written as 2 cube into 63. So again, this is, now please understand, on this side of the equal to you have something called as 2 raised to y into 2 raised to k minus 1. So we need to write these two things in the form of one particular value. So like I said, a raised to m into a raised to n is nothing but a raised to m plus n. So here we'll have 2 raised to 3 plus 3, which is 6 into 63. So now I can say, therefore 2 raised to y is equals to 2 raised to 6. Therefore I can say y is equals to 6 because the bases are same. Now rest I can say 2 raised to k minus 1 is equals to 63. So 2 raised to k is equals to 64. And when you have 2 raised to k as 64, which is again what? 2 raised to 6. Okay, so 2 raised to k. Therefore I can say k value is also 6. And I know that x is what? Y plus k. Therefore y is 6 plus 6 will get you 12. And what we needed to find was x minus y, which is nothing but what? 12 minus 6. Therefore your final value is 6. Okay, so that's your answer. That's not a factorial. Okay, so do like and subscribe for many such videos.